Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Consider Attire. I am Sharbusri. Thank you for joining me today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to make center front neck dart. Let's get started with today's lesson. Today, we are going to learn center front neck dart. For that, I have taken 20 by 15 inches brown paper. First, draw a vertical line. Now take the working pattern and trace it. Now mark the dart leg and label it as A and B. Now with the help of a push pin, I'm going to mark the bust point over here so that we get the impression of dart point beneath this working pattern. Keep aside the working pattern, and now I will mark the dot point over here, and now I'm going to join dot leg A and B with bust point. Okay, here it is. Now today, as we are aware of that, we are going to learn how to do center front neck dart. So let's get started with that. We will first draw the slash line, that is from center front neck to bust point. This is our center front at neck. So from this point, I'm going to draw a slash line diagonally towards the bust point. And this is our center front neck dot slash line. Okay, and this is our center front. So now I'm going to cut the pattern. Okay, this is how it looks like. So this is our center front neck dot slash line. Now I'm going to cut the waist dart so that we can open the center front neck dart. Now the next is we will cut slash line towards bust point but not through the bust point. Okay, this is how it will go, not through the bust point. Now we are going to close the waist dart. thick tape, and now I'm going to close dot leg A with B. This is how it is, and I'm going to secure with a tape, and see how the center front neck dot has opened up over here. Okay, we can have a look how it looks like when we close the waist dot and how the center front neck dot has opened up. Okay, now retrace the pattern on a brown paper or muslin. I'm using the brown paper. Okay, draw a vertical line over here. Now I will retrace the pattern. I will place the pattern absolutely like this way on this vertical line. Okay, now I'm going to press it. So it's done. Now we are going to make the dot point. So from the boss point, I'm going to go upwards, half-inch. Draw the dot legs. Okay, now I'm going to add seam allowance half-inch on all sides except the neckline, and neckline we are going to take 1/4 inch seam allowance. Here we are taking half-inch seam allowance. Here half-inch. Half-inch seam allowance around armhole circumference. Half-inch on the shoulder. Now 1/4 inch on neckline. Now we are going to take 1/2 inch seam allowance over here for the dart legs. Here you go, your time. So this is cut on fold. So we will cut now, and then we are ready for a muslin test fit or a brown paper test fit. Okay. So this is how it looks like. This is our center front leg dart. Now I'm going to test fit on my dress form. This is how it looks like, center front neck dart. We are almost at the end of this episode. In my next episode, I'm going to come up with mid neck dart. Until then, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.